Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, once again, I'm here on Comb Herbal TV to reveal to you the secret that will help liberate man and woman from all obstacles in life. So, what is it that you need to do? If you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe to Comb Herbal TV. This is where secret of nature is revealed to the individual to have the note of victory at all times. And this note of victory will let you to what? Attain your heart desire and what is meant for your prayers. Today I'm going to reveal to you a lot of stuffs and things that will help you to what? Annihilate all poverty and all evil in your path. And then you start to attain the favor, riches, and honor that you deserve. If you're a new person here, subscribe to Comb Herbal TV. Yeah, man. So what is it that you need to do? There are these green herbs that you get, and with the power of the herbs and the power infused by them by the Almighty El Elyon, and when you apply and use this formula, greater riches and honor and prosperity will begin to come, and you'll be happy. These are the secret herbs that you know about all times. They are herbs that you know already. And when you, because you know these herbs already, you begin to what? Easy get access to them. Greetings to all friends, Mammy Adams and Co. Dennis Williams, all friends in America. Isaac Dems. I found out that some people, some of your things the herbs getting is going to delay. So some of the people I want to do some refund that I'm like, I'll post back your money to you. Because some of the herbs getting is not small. And some of you have not gotten patient. So I will what? Give those that haven't given their goods yet back to them early, which are about 2 months. But I found out that I what? Send you back your money. So feel free. You're not requesting for your money, but I'm deciding so that if I have the free chance, I can what? Do it for you. If not, that some people will say you are scamming or do something. Yeah. So this is Comb Herbal TV. If you're a new person here, subscribe. So what will you do so that more things will open to you? So that you get the note of victory. You get in the power of crowd pooling. Your business will be booming. Prosperity will start coming. There'll be joy and favor at home. In terms of you being a couple, you find out that you start to get love in your relationship. What are the things you are doing? You are supposed to be doing. This is Comb Herbal Tea. First of all, you are going to get this herb. I'm going to show about 4 something videos today concerning how to prosper. Now I'm just going to be revealing more of the prosperity herbs, prosperity formulas, favor formulas, wealth formulas. Is what I'm going to be showing these days. And I'm always busy working, doing other works. So the time I get some free chance, I'll reveal more secrets to you. So what will you do? Today we're going to slaughter over 13 cows. Different people formulas. Always coming. So you get this one. Susumansa. And what next? You get your soap. Get the soap that has honey on it. Like this geisha soap. You know, geisha, this big soap, has honey mixed in it. Or you buy any soap, white soap, and get the original pure honey and pound it and mix it with it. Add honey. Or you can just get a soap that has honey on it. I've shown this type of video before, but this is a secret that when you do it, you will never be ashamed. It's high ranking. I show things in ranks. I show things in ranks. As we are moving forward, I begin to show you higher powers. Are you getting it? So if you get your white soap and honey, or you buy a soap that has honey on it, like this geisha soap, you will know what again. If you are a man You get what? The 7 petals of the what? Susumansa leaves. The one has 7 petals. You get this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 33. If you're a woman, you get these ones 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 34. You're going to pound them together. And when you pound them, what are you going to add inside? You get to a precursor, this precursor. I hope you know it, the Adan fruit. If you're a man, you're going to get 3 of these. If you're a woman, you're going to get what? 4 of these. Pound them and mix with the susumansa leaves. This is the secret that when you go, they'll just pound it and mix it for you, and you know that that's it. So when you pound them together in a mortar, what is next you're going to do? You get this perfume I always talk about, a Bintu Sudan perfume. Some people call it Anoche. Anoche. This one is going to open money for you. But before plucking the leaves, you get a coin, and pray to the tree that you want to prepare this soap, cleansing soap, prosperity soap in your life. Then you give the coin to the tree. I get in it. When you give the coin to the tree, you now pluck, a man will pluck 33 of these, a woman will pluck 34 of these. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 34. A man, 1, 1, 1, 1 of these 34. A man is 33, woman 34. So you come and pound them with the precursor, that's the Adan fruit. I get in it. If you are a man, you get what? This perfume. And what is this perfume? That's Bintu Sudan. If you are a man, you're going to get how many of them? 9 of them. A woman, 7 of them. You pound it, get this soap that I told you. You like 6 of them. If you get either white soap, geisha soap, black soap, any white soap, mix it with honey, or buy the soap that already has honey on it, like this one, geisha soap. So when you do that, you're going to pound them together. Pound the 6 soap of the Bintu Sudan perfumes you pour on it. Add the Susumansa, that's the new boldia leaves, and the precursor leaves, pound them together. And what is it that you're going to take and mix? You're going to get rainwater, the one that falls directly from the sky. Rainwater, the one that falls directly from the sky. You get a table outside, put a pan on top of it. The rain that drops inside. I've stored a lot of these waters here. The rain that drops directly from the sky on top of the base in the pan is what you're going to use to mix the soap plus the herbs. The Adan fruit, the precursor, and the Susumansa leaves, and the Bintu Sudan, and the soap. When you mix them to become one soap, I get in it. This one is a formula on your bathing with the new sponge. You start to get market. You start to get favor. You start to be attractive to your spouse or boyfriend and girlfriend them. They begin to love you. Those that hated you at your workplaces will begin to admire you. You begin to get favor at your work site. There will be love and peace all around about you. Yeah, man. There will always be love and peace and long life upon us. With long life shall I satisfy thee and show thee my salvation. So, this formula, when you mix with the soap, and you're bathing with it, you have the note of victory. There is one of my subscribers. They are going on a long journey. And you are not happy about the journey. Get a white cooler. Before going on that journey, before traveling on the train or the bus, or get a white cooler, pray on it that you want to go through this journey safely and come back home safely. You are afraid. So that's why you are praying on this white cooler. You are giving it to the road. Then after that, you take the white cooler, give it to the road before going on that journey. You go back and come safely. No harm, no accident will get you. You are one of my subscribers. There's also one of my subscribers. I always think about becoming rich. You are thinking of going to this blood money area. Don't go to the blood money area. Yeah. Do this formula. You'll prosper. Money will start coming to your life unexpectedly. Or you get coconut, break it. Get original, break like 7 coconuts or 3 coconuts. One has much water in a plastic bottle. Pour all the 7 coconut water or the 3 coconut water juices inside it. Pour honey inside it. Then get 7 coins, money. Or you get a higher domination note. Or 10 CD or $10 or $100 or 10 CD or 50 CDs note or 200 CD note or 100 CD note. Fold that note, put inside the water of the coconut water juice, add the honey inside it, mix it with the water, and let this one be in the container, the white container like this one. So the coconut water juice will be here up to this side level. Add what? The honey to it, put the money note inside it. Pour the honey inside and mix it together. You that is trying to go to the occultic place, don't go there. Don't go for blood money. Do natural things and prosper. That's what we're doing. There's one of my subscribers thinking about it. Don't do it. I've seen you. So mix it this way. Every morning before going out, pour some of the water inside your hands. Make sure the money note is inside it. The coconut water, about 7 coconut water. The one has plenty water is inside it. Add original pure honey to it. Add 7 coins. Or you get a higher domination note inside the coconut water juice. Mix with the honey. Every morning, pray Psalm 23 on it 7 times. And Psalm 51 first. 7 times. Psalm with a green candle. With what? With a green candle. And Psalm what? 20 what? 3 on it. Then Psalm 65. 72. 7 times each on it. Psalm 72. Psalm 65. Psalm 23. Psalm 51 is first. Followed by what? Psalm what? 23. Psalm what? 60 what? 5. And Psalm what? 72. Then pray with the green candle on it. Then you pray Psalm 150 on it 7 times 2, the last one, and not the least. Then you shake the water, coconut water with the what? Honey, with the 7 coins or the money note that you kept inside it. Every morning with the green candle. Make sure the green candle burns all out. Then after that, you start using this coconut. Don't make sure the green candle is not by the container. Because if it's plastic, it will melt. Make sure you shift it this way and pray. After that, you blow on it 7 times. You use this water and be smearing your hand. You will never lack money. Money that you were thinking of going to the juju places, you will not go there. Money will start coming, and you can never lack money again. This is the secret I'm just revealing to one of my subscribers. You want to go to this occultic place. You are thinking about it. You are already consulting friends to go there. Don't go to any blood money site. Do natural things, and God Almighty will show His power. Yeah, man. Don't go to the blood money site. Do natural things. We all do natural things. Yeah, man. So, when you do this soap, you'll prosper and you'll never lack money. Yeah, man. This is Comb Herbal TV. Subscribe and share. Shout out to my friends in the United States, Ghana, Britain, Zimbabwe. I have a lot of friends now in Morocco and then Gambia. A lot of friends now in Australia. Yeah. I have a friend in Australia. I'll send you your goose. Yeah, I'll send you your goose these days. Yeah. A lot of them are there. America, Canada, a lot of my friends, I'll send you your goose. Yeah. I've sent every day. We send, my guys are working, sending, the order is long. So that's why sometimes I'm thinking that those that cannot, I'm delaying, I'm likely to send your money back to you. So that if I'm free, because some of you are in a hurry, I see if someone wants to spend your money. And this $100, $150, how much is it? Sometimes I use my own money and add and do it for you people, but you don't know. The postal services is costly. Sometimes I need to go through the seed laboratory to prove that the herbs are real. They are not any narcotic herbs. Before the seed laboratory allow me to send it to the DHL to post it. All these delays sometimes cause all that, and because of other businesses I'm doing. I'm just on YouTube to help people. I'm not here because of money issue. We are blessed. Yeah, man. With long life shall I satisfy thee and show thee my salvation. Long life upon us. Any weapon fashioned of the enemy upon us, and a weapon fashioned of the enemy upon me and my subscribers and family, fire will burn all the enemies. We'll live up to old age and prosperity and sound mind. Yeah, man.